back to my channel! So, for today's vlog guys is bagong gising lang ako. I woke up like this.
What?
Then, don't mind na lang po sa aking malaking braso na parang pata. So, I just remembered guys na meron pala akong package which is sobrang nakaka-excite talaga. Kaya gumising ako ng maaga kasi this package is came from Ate Manilyn. And I want these beauty products to Mommy Mori. Yay! And this is worth of 10K!
What?
Oh my God! And I know guys, you are all wondering if bakit ngayon ko lang na-receive tong package na to. Which is, yung binigay ko po kasing address kay Mommy Mori at saka kay Ate Maddie is my sister address. Which is, nag-stay po ako doon noon. And then, nung nag-travel po kasi akong pauwi dito sa province, saktong dumating naman doon. So, yung sister ko na ulit yung nagpadala sa akin ito. Kaya, oh my God, ngayon ko lang na-receive siya. So, excited na ako, guys. So, alam ko, excited na rin kayong makita ang laman nito. So, open na natin! Oh my God, guys! Ang ganda niya! Diba, box pa lang bongga na. So, excited na ako. So, open na natin. Ipapakita ko pa sa inyo isa-isa. And then, the first one is this one. Seems familiar. So, tanan! Yung nail. Sigurado nilalagay ito sa kuko. Malamang. So, ayan siya. So cute. And the next one is this. Wow. Wow, pero hindi ko po alam gamitin to. Oh my God. Let's see what's inside. Tara! Sa kili-kili po ba? Look, oh, parang roll-on. Hindi ako nagamit ng roll-on. Ayan. Of course, face po siya. Glow Glaze stick. So, ayan. Search is the K. This one is Tula Skincare. So, let's open. Paano ba gamitin tong mga to? Search talaga. Search best. Mag-search ka. And the next one is this. Ang cute. Diba? Ang gaganda. Check natin guys. What's inside? So, this is a powder. Powder. Ang bango. Naamin mo na talaga siya. Wow, it's so cute! Wow! Ang ganda, oh my God! And the next one is this. For nails also, nail polish. Let's see. Ang cute! Oh my god! I love pink! Woo! Another one. Wow! Oh my god! Enlighten Cloud Cream. Oh my god. Excited na akong i-try tong mga to. Oh my god. Makakaranas na ng ano yung skin ko. Char! So, what's this? Oh. This is for all hairstyle daw. Yan. Search lang talaga ang ang sagot sa mga kung paano gamitin. And this one, ang ganda naman nito ng package niya. What's this? Foaming face wash. Foaming face wash. Yan. Oh my god. Nai-ignorante. Diyos ko Lord, ngayon lang makakita ng mga ganitong ano. Lalo na kasi guys, skincare never pa po talaga akong gumamit ng mga skincare products. So, this is foaming face wash. Oh my god! Nakaka-excite! Yan siya guys. Ang ganda. Oh my god! Woo! Woo! And the next one is this one. What's this? Oh, I think this is a perfume. Oh, ang cute. Ang cute. And I have a nail art. And let's go inside. Yan, pang nail art talaga siya. Kasi nakikita ko talaga, mahilig talaga si Ate Mari ng mga ganito. Ang gaganda. Grabe. Oh my god! And this is another perfume. This is so cute. Right? Ang cute. Oh my god. Sigurado ang bango nito. Yay, 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 yay. Ay, wow. Ang cute. I have a queen. Try na natin to. Hope. Yeah. Ay, nabuksan. Ito na. Ang cute. Hey! Ganun. Ayan ay. Moon. Along. Cute nila. Oh my god. And this one. Ano to? Akala mo talaga papel lang siya eh. Pero, smell me daw. Smell natin. Ang bango. Oh my god, ang bango niya. Nakaka-addict. Bango niya guys. Papel. Let's see. May laman ba ito? Ano ba ito? Guys, alam niyo ba ito? Ano to? Ayun siya. Tignan. Wow, may mga shade naman. Oh my god, is this a lipstick? Tignan natin muna. May use ba? Oh my god! Basahin natin. May ano siya, meron siyang something sa loob, oh. Look. Ano to? Lipstick or ano to? Oh my god. Napaka-ignorante talaga. Diyos ko Lord. Oh my god, this is a liquid foundation. A liquid foundation. Oh my god, Diyos ko Lord. Akala ko papel lang siya. Ayan guys, oh. It's a liquid foundation. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ayan guys, thank you so much Mami Mori and Ate Maddie sa pag-choose po sa akin as one of the luckiest winner sa worth of 10K prize sa beauty products. Thank you so much po, napaka-blessed ko. I love you po and more blessings to come. So guys, please follow Mami Mori and Ate Madilicious.x sa kanilang TikTok account, IG page, and please subscribe to their channels. And take note guys, Mami Mori is live on October 19 sa TikTok at araw-araw na pong may mananalo. So, follow nyo na sila guys. Stay tuned. Good luck! That's all guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy and please don't forget to follow me on my TikTok account, IG page, and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell and leave a comments below. Thank you so much. I love you. Stay safe. God bless.